Welcome to Dad's DeFi Space. I want you to know that this channel was started because I didn't want others to learn the hard way, just like I did. This is your space to learn, ask questions, and grow with real, transparent crypto and DeFi content that's easy to understand. Please start with my free DeFi and crypto crash course and weekly yield updates at Dad's DeFi Space, link in the description, and DM me anytime and consider joining our free Telegram group. Remember, none of this today is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Never, ever invest more than you can afford to lose. We are taking a look at the Avalanche blockchain and how we can use this smart contract EVM compatible layer one to earn some of the best yield that we can on our Bitcoin. Now, please understand, this is not for everyone, but imagine earning up to 18% yield on your Bitcoin passively, no trading, no chasing pumps, just real yield paid in BTC. That sounds insane. That's what I used to think until I found these strategies on Avalanche. And now I just can't unsee it and I have to share it with you. So while everyone is watching Avalanche's price, what is the smart money really doing? They're looking for the yields. Because while the crowd is chasing meme coins on Avalanche and ETF flows, this blockchain is quietly becoming a blockchain of RWAs and BTC yield. Some of the protocols are paying ridiculous returns, and this is on single sided pools and correlated Bitcoin pairs. So, I have spent the last few weeks exploring all these different protocols like Blackhole, the new DEX that's set up much like Aerodrome on Base, but Blackhole is on the Avalanche blockchain. Aave, which you've heard about again and again on our channel. Today, we're going to highlight a protocol called Silo Finance. Now, these aren't the only places where you could earn yield on your BTC, but it just got me thinking when I saw these opportunities over the last few days. So, as BTC and ETFs are pulling back, altcoins during this time are going to be unpredictable. But what about yield on our BTC? That can be a lot more predictable income. And whether the market goes up or the market goes down or the market goes sideways, Avalanche is positioning itself to be a yield layer for Bitcoin, quietly building on all these different protocols while all this noise rages on in the space. So before we start taking a look at these Bitcoin yields, please remember this is not for everybody. There is smart contract risk, hacks, and some of these protocols you could suffer impermanent loss. But we're going to start with some of the safest and lowest yields and move into the more riskier stuff as the video proceeds. So first, what I wanted to take a look at is the Avalanche market on the Aave protocol. So this is my Avalanche portfolio, around $1,000 of Avalanche in it, and I'm borrowing around $400 of USDT. The Avalanche that we are loaning out on the blockchain is only earning, excuse me, not Avalanche, the Bitcoin that we are loaning out or we're loaning out on the Avalanche market was only earning around 0.57%. That's okay. Part of this is because we paid down a large percentage of our loan over the last few weeks, but you're not going to earn much yield loaning out Bitcoin on Aave on any of the blockchains. It's going to range between 0.2 to 1% APR. No, excuse me, APY, which is not much of anything, but you can use it as collateral, which allows you to borrow more coins that you can then farm in other protocols, use to buy high conviction plays for your portfolio, or provide liquidity and try to earn yield on that borrowed capital. Our second yield opportunity is a little bit juicier than what is available on Aave. We're going to go to the Blackhole DEX. This is the Blackhole DEX on Aave. Yeah, I'm sure you've heard Alex Becker talk about it and others in this space. Very hyped. It very similar Aerodrome protocol, and they have this pool right here. It is a BTC.B. Excuse me, a wrap Bitcoin.B pool. BTC.B is what um, the wrapped Bitcoin on Avalanche blockchain looks like. As you can see, with a really tight range, you can deposit your Bitcoin into this Bitcoin B pool and earn 17% APR and not suffer much impermanent loss because these assets are really correlated. You do take on depegging risk. So if the wrap coin pegs, you could face liquidation. And this one right now is earning almost 18%. Now, if you take a look at VFat, you know how we like to farm on VFat. You can see that this wrap Bitcoin BTC.B pool on Avalanche is earning about 17% on this farm on VFat. But these aren't the only opportunities that exist. There are other protocols like Euler Finance and Contango and many, many others in space that offer BTC yields and looping strategies. Now, we're not going to talk about leverage today, but I do want to look at our final opportunity to earn some good, juicy yields on the Avalanche blockchain on our BTC, and that would be Silo Finance. Now, this is not a protocol that I've used, full disclosure, yet, but I am starting to look into it. Silo Finance, it's in their V2 and on the Avalanche blockchain, they do have some excellent BTC yields. So we're going to take a look at some of the Silo vaults. And as you can see, this BTC.B pool earns 5% APR. This one at 130 days, 4.2%. XBTC, 8%. This one's Save BTC is 9.4%. And these are just some of the opportunities. Now, there's other ones like this BTC that you can't earn any APR, but you can provide as collateral, and many, many others. Now, you can take these opportunities and earn Silo points or farm the Silo token, or you can just try to earn the yield. There's so many different opportunities here. The Silo protocol has about $486 million. So it is decent size, not the biggest, but definitely not the smallest either. But it seems that there's an awful lot of good opportunities for yield for BTC on the Avalanche blockchain. So I hope this video today was extremely informative and you learned how to get a little bit more freedom by earning some yield on your BTC. So thanks for tuning in. And if this video helped you level up your DeFi game, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and please drop a comment. What are you doing with your BTC? Is it in cold storage? Do you try to earn a little bit of passive income on it? Are you doing DeFi lending? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to talk to you. So for real-time updates, signals, and deep dives on my DeFi positions, join the free Telegram group. I share quick plays, market alpha before they hit YouTube. And if you want deeper education and coaching, I highly recommend Crypto Labs Research Underdog Investment Group. It's where I sharpened my DeFi skills early on. Use my link below for 20% off your first month. And if you're trading, consider using Weeks or Blowfin. Both non-KYC exchanges are offering many USDT rewards and Ethereum rewards for deposits and trading. Links in the description. And yes, they help support our channel. And lastly, please consider grabbing our free DeFi course at Dad's DeFi Space. Build your edge the smart way, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.